Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? And welcome back to a new episode, Track Fans TV, track 113. We're going to have a look at that in a bit. That is amazing track, I tell you. And what are we racing on the track? Oh, it has got to be the Lotus 72E Monico Ronnie Peterson, which incidentally, Peterson is the surname of my best pal. So if you're watching this raced on, how do? Anyway, what we're doing is got some news. So as you can see, I'm in the basement and we're going to be doing a lot more things down here moving forward, starting with this. We're going to be changing the engine in this so that it conforms for race nights. So that's going to be a forthcoming episode for all the nerds out there and enthusiasts. I mean, you're going to watch me do it and I've never done it. So if I can do it, you definitely can do it. On that note, so we've got the JPS number 1 Lotus 72E. Yeah, we're going to race it on the track. Now the track fans, the track, this is going to be the last track in the den for a little while, only mainly because I've had to move a load of stuff in there recently and there's not that much space to get the tables unless we could do a small track. Okay, cancel that. The den is still operative. We're going to do smaller tracks, which might be good for people at home with little space, so you can do tracks, because ultimately, as long as you can get the thing to go around in a circle, you can race, and racing is what it's all about. So we'll take a look at the track 113, and then we will come down to the garage. We'll have a look at this in more detail. We'll open it up. We'll see what's going on under the hood. We will possibly change, we'll change the braids, because I've been running it around my track for a while and to be fair, they're quite murky. So we'll have a close-up on that when we change the braids a little bit later. Yeah, so let's crack on with that. Anyway, no further ado. Actually, there is a do. Just want to mention we've got in about 5 weeks time, maybe 6 weeks, the winter slot car meet in Gaydon. So if Julie and Mark are watching this, we are well looking forward to it. I can't wait. I've got a little bit of a shopping list already of what I want to get, which is going to be amazing. I hope that it's there, or Christmas will suck. No, it won't. It won't. I love Christmas. Christmas rocks. But let's go over to the track. We'll see his track side in a minute. But firstly, I keep saying this. I keep saying let's go to track, and then I keep remembering things. I tell you, it's senility. It comes with old age. You'll notice the track is different this time. I'm not going to spend time running around the track because I've already driven this up the club and I know it is sweet and handles really well, goes really fast. It just needs some tyres and wheels for the back and I am cooking. But on the track, I've done some track scenery. I try to be a bit cinematic. And then you see the car handling around the corners. And then we'll come back and we'll go in the garage. And I'll see you here in a little while. So you ready, track fans? Are you ready? Let's go trackside! Hey, welcome back, and how good was that? This JPS here, this boy can this handle. So let's take a bit of a look around the beast. So we've got incredible detail right down in the engine block. You've got some steady detailing, the Ford, it looks really cool. I just think the modelling on this Slot.it Lotus 72E is quite special. Yeah, not bad at all. Right then, let's open it up. So as you can see here, we're going to take the wire out, which is in there with a little grub screw. There's a grub screw which holds the wire against the braid. So we're going to take that out and replace it with some new braid. This is racing tinned copper braid, 1 metre, which you can get at a great online retailer. That begins the companies. It begins with the letter P and ends in Endel. So you should be able to find that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take them out and we're going to replace the braid and we're going to screw it back in, and it's going to look good. So follow me then.